All right, good morning, world. Another busy day. It's 8:30. I've been going already since 5:30 this morning, and now I am on my way to my first appointment of the day, which luckily is just down the road, so I will be there in just a couple minutes. But this is a weekly meeting I have with a local private school where we discuss their marketing, and the marketing really includes things like student retention, fundraising, and attracting new students. So it's challenging because there's just so many different facets to it, but it's a lot of fun. All right, I'm back in my office, and it's actually been a little while. I had my meeting earlier. It went really well. It's we talked about a lot of different things, excited about some of the projects that we have coming up, and then I got out of there a little bit late, so I had to rush back and hop on a call with another client who just got the go ahead for another monthly coaching project. So that's really exciting, because that's really the sweet spot of what I do. Is for a lot of businesses, what happens is they go out and they get a new website, they put it up, and they're a little bit disappointed because just putting up the website doesn't actually generate business. That the website is kind of the core, the hub of your marketing, but you have to do something then to get people to that website and to help convert them, and to collect leads and then nurture those leads and then convert them into customers. And so that really takes an ongoing project. And if you don't have somebody in-house that's really versed in how to do that, it's hard. And so what I really try to do is I don't want to do that for my customers forever. What I want to do is I want to help them build up the internal capabilities so that they can do that themselves. But that takes some time. It takes some work on a weekly basis to go through, take a look at how things are going. Where are things going well? Do things need to be improved? And then just continuing to build things out, build out the automations, the emails, build out the landing pages, all of these different pieces to the marketing funnel that are key to the success of a marketing strategy, and ultimately growing the business. So that's really exciting. I'm glad to be able to help that client in an ongoing basis like that. And then I've got another appointment in about 20 minutes, and this is with a brand new client. They are a yacht manufacturer, so this would be really fun. I'm kind of excited about this. Hopefully, I said a brand new client. They're not a client yet, so this is our first call, and we'll see if it makes sense to work together, and we'll go from there. All right, so a little bit of a busy day today, but a good day so far. It is now 1:00, and my meetings are done for the day. My meeting with the yacht builder, that went really, really well. Really excited about that. It'd be a really fun client to work with, and they're excited to work with me. I think there's a lot of good synergy there. I had a great conversation with them, so super, super excited about that. I really hope that works out. Now I'm going to work on some wireframes. And so a wireframe is really laying out a website. So I've met with a couple of clients. We talked through what their messaging is, and now I need to just lay out what their website's going to be. And so what I do is first I'll write it out just on a pencil or pen and piece of paper. And then I'll transfer that to a program that I use to do that layout. And then from there, they will have a chance to review that. And once they approve the general layout, and when I say layout, it doesn't have any of the design elements. So we don't include any pictures, or if I do, they're just general pictures kind of showing placeholders. But once they approve that layout and basically the words that we're going to use, so the copy and the messaging, then that goes off to a designer. I have a few designers that I use, or sometimes my clients have their own designer, and so it'll go to their designer, and they'll basically turn it into a beautiful looking website, and it comes back to me and we build it. So I have developers that do the build, and once that's done and it's deployed, then we move on to the next stage of the marketing. So I'm going to get started right now on doing some wireframing. All right, so here's a little bit of the process of developing the wireframe and getting into developing of a website. I've got my layout here on my screen. This is kind of the blueprint that I follow. On my screen here, I've got notes from my meeting, and then down here I've got just a piece of paper where I start sketching out and writing what is going to go on the website. And so from here, I'm going to bring it into another program that I use that will then go off to the client to review, and then off to the designer. All right, it is right now, 7:43 in the evening. I just got back home and here in my home office, and just gonna go sit down with the family and relax. I had a meeting at church tonight, so just got back from that, and that's going to be the end of my day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.